Before we begin this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone the creation or the distribution of any of the malicious scripts or any malicious programs that might be shown in this video for any malicious intent. The purpose of this video is to analyze and understand how this malware works so we can better defend against it. And do not attempt to use this knowledge for any illegal activities. Do not take part in any malicious activities. Doing so could have serious legal consequences, and use it to defend yourself against such malwares. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Alright, hello YouTube. So it's been a really long time since I recorded any videos on my channel, and the reason for that was we're gonna look into a video today. This is of a Discord nuker. So I was scrolling the YouTube recommendations and I came across this video. Now this is the fast new bot Discord 2025. So this is like the latest in the market. This is like the latest new bot that you can get in the market right now. And since I have it's been about 2 years, I think, since I made my last nuker. So for someone as old as me, I think it's worth for me to learn from this guy. Okay, so the UI is already good. It's not the best, but okay, it is a good UI. This is something that I rocked with in like 2020 as well. And okay, he's gonna get the invite, he's gonna get the roles. Of course, he has admin on the server. And we're gonna forward the video. Okay, this also has a mask banner, nice. Anyways, yeah, so there we go. Webhook created, webhook spamming, nuke, lol. Okay. Now at the first glance, I think this is a good nuker, except for the fact if this is some sort of malware or some sort of paid script, this is not worth buying or falling into at all. For a fact, I know his GitHub is down. Yep. And for a fact, I know this guy has a Discord server. Yeah, of course. And he also has a guns bio. So we're going to look into that as well. He has a TikTok account. Now, TikTok is banned in my country, so I cannot really view his TikToks. I can check his GitHub, which is, of course, banned once again. So not much that we can check into this guy. We can also view his Discord server, which I have viewed, and I have the scripts of his Discord server as well. These are the scripts that he's providing. He's providing his Discord nuker. He's providing his YouTube viewbot, which is not available for some reason. He also has a nuker. He has a server raider. He has a server cloner. He has an invite generator. I don't know what this does. Easy to set up, decent speeds, beautiful design, beginner friendly. Yeah, I'm sure. What does this even do? So anyways, yeah, this spams the Discord invites. Nice. And he also has the invite deletes. I don't know what that does. He has a webhook spammer, and he also have the fake Exodus. I'm pretty sure that is not the UI for Exodus, but fine. So what are we gonna check here? Actually, I want some free money, so I'm gonna download fake Exodus, which I already have downloaded. There we go. This is the script that this guy is selling. Opening it up, and we see another folder. 4 files, start main.py, fake Exodus wallet. This is a text document which has nothing in it. Okay. I'm gonna copy this into the new folder, and we're gonna delete this.
All right. Now we have his fake Exodus source code, so called. I'm gonna just plug in my laptop because I don't want this draining my battery. Okay. So here we have the source code for his fake Exodus. I'm gonna open Visual Studio Code, not this, please. And there we go. Kaboom. And this is the source code. So it's of, I think, 80 or 90 lines it should be. Okay, this is like 180 lines. So I don't see any invisible code. I can select all of this and I don't see any invisible code. So I think this should be legit, right? The thing is, Python, for example, I can make another
main2.py. Python works a bit differently than other dynamic programming languages. So for example, I can define a variable x is 20, y is also 20, and then I can print the sum x plus y. Right? This is going to work. This is going to print 40. I can also do inline. I can just put all the variables and the functions in a single line. And for these to execute, I'm going to use a semicolon at the end of each line. So what this does is this is also going to print 40. There we go, 40. So this is how Python works. You can stack all these lines into a single line using a semicolon. Using this, what you can do is you can go like this. So I can just keep on pressing my space key and I can bring the focus to this part. So you cannot see the next line that we have over here, the print x plus y. There we go. So now what you're going to see in this frame is x is equal to 20, y is equal to 20. And when I run this is of course going to print 40 once more. There we go. So this is something that Python does. This is something that is possible in Python. So with this being said, with this in our knowledge, we are going to review the code once again. So there we go. Here is the code. Now, if we open our eyes a little bit, we're going to realize that the code over here is going a bit out, and we can see this scroll thing is not to the full length, which means it can go a bit like this, right? So there is some space in the code. We are gonna zoom out everything and then we are gonna go and anytime now. Oh, what is this? What is this? Okay, what the hell? I messed it up. What is this? I'm so fucking weird. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna make d.txt and we're gonna get the code from that part into the d.txt. As I said, the semicolon is here, which means this part will be executed. This is not a comment or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this part, actually cut it off and paste it in the d.txt. Now this code is without the malware. So if you run this code right now after saving this, you are good to go. And this is the malware bit. So what we are going to do is rename this to d.py. And now we're going to drop a quick analysis. Now he is importing operating system. He's now installing cryptography. Then he is okay. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. My defender, please be active. My defender, please be active. My defender, okay. Oh my god. That was a close one. Oh my god. I shouldn't be doing this at like 1 fucking AM in the night, I swear to god, bro. I shouldn't be doing this at 1 AM in the night. It's so stupid. It's so fucking stupid. I'm saved. I'm saved. Anyways, so this is the malware. Oh my god, bro. I'm so fucking. Should I fucking quit? I should generally fucking go to sleep. I swear to god, I should go. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Fuck this. I'm gonna take a break. Fuck my leg, bro. I'm fucking back, baby. And I drank a fuck ton of water. I took a piss. I took a shit. Yeah, now we are back. Okay, I'm not gonna run this anymore. And we are gonna go to the starting of this. And we are simply gonna, I'm not even gonna touch this code right now. I don't know what I might press. I might fucking run this code at any point. Okay, so the point is, he is using for net encryption. And he's executing this for net thingy. So whatever this is, he's executing all of this. What we can do is decrypt this. Now to decrypt this, I have a Fernet tool thing ready coded. Here that is, but for this to run, I also had Notepad. since we need to edit some code. So here we go. This is the script that we have over here. And for this to run, I need to get the fernet key, which is this one. He's using this key. I can place this in the fernet key section. And for the data, I can copy this one and place this in the data section. There we go. This goes in the data section of the script, and kaboom, we save this and we get the source code for whatever happened. There we go. Okay, this is another fernet thing. This is not really fernet. I think he is getting some sort of executable from this URL, pentagon.cy. Now I'm pretty sure when I visit this site, this is going to be some sort of business, which is hiding like a malware campaign behind it. Suspected phishing. Ignore and proceed. This does has Cloudflare on it. So okay, Pentagon stealer. There we go. So I mean, is there really a point going beside this? Like, we already know this is a fucking stealer. You're not fucking getting any free Discord nuker, free Discord webhook spammer. You're just gonna get your data fucking stolen. Actually, we're gonna go behind this. Fuck everything, bro. We're gonna go behind this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little Python tutorial now. 1.py import requests. Now whatever this guy is doing, I'm just gonna copy, except I'm gonna leave the execute function because I don't want to execute malware on my machine. And I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna paste it here, and we are also gonna give it a variable which is gonna be r. Okay, no, s actually. Let's go. And s, actually I'm gonna call it 6 just because I can. 6 dot what is that called? Status code. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna print this. Print s.6.status code. Hell yeah. Okay. Int object is not callable. What? So this is returning an int. Wait, is this returning an int? What? Is this returning like a JSON? Okay, please don't execute or something. Response of 200. So this is going through the server, but I am not getting like a status code or anything. So, and neither am I getting a downloaded file. Actually, I'm just going to clear off this entire thing. Wait up. I'm going to delete this one, this one. We need these two. I'm gonna, okay, is there anything in the batch file? No, there's nothing in the batch file. And is there anything in the readme? I don't think. This is a markdown file, of course. Okay. So far a get request isn't downloading anything. A get request is just giving me absolutely nothing. It gave me like no data at all. So I can also print 6 dot can I print like, I can go for a status code, and I'm also gonna go for print 6.html. No headers. I'm gonna see what kind of data is being returned, and I just hope this doesn't run this on my machine. Int object is not callable, so we're gonna remove this. And okay, I think this is a callable function. Okay, this is not callable as well. Okay, if this is not downloading anything, yep, content type is text or HTML. Okay, which means this is returning a malware script as we go. So I should probably be able to print that. using this. I don't really know. I should be able to print that using text. Yep, there we go. Now what this is, I am not really sure. Oh, this is a Python code. Okay, I think the string slicing for this was also done. The pre thing is an HTML frame, whatever that tag is called in the HTML. And I think he was slicing all of this part away in the code that I just deleted anyways. Okay, so this is the code that we want. This is probably the malware, and he has a subprocess command cmd.exe/c. I don't know what this tag does. I think force is /f and silent is /s. I don't know what this does. sys.executable, which is the mode that he is going to run the file in. M pip install fernet. So he's also again installing fernet for some reason. Like as if for installing fernet 4 fucking times already wasn't enough. He's gonna install fernet once again. I should probably write this to a file, right? Yeah, I should probably write this to a file. I should go like stage2.py. And for this file, we're gonna write the entire thing over here. Just in case I clear my terminal and I forget about it. Okay. We're gonna do this once again. Actually, nope. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be chad, and we're gonna file is equal to open main.txt. No, stage2.py in write mode, and then we are gonna write whatever is coming 6.text, and then we are gonna go file.close. No, we're not gonna close the file. We're gonna keep it open. Hell yeah. There we go. Oh my god. That's how you fucking download malware. Yep. Wait, is he gonna wait. Never mind. Wait, I think this is like a this is like an attempt to inject some code into the app data. I think that's what this is. He's not gonna install Python, he's actually gonna open a file saying python setup.py, and he's gonna write the data, write the content in that file, and the content is this. Yep, there we go. So he is gonna inject all of this, whatever this is, into our app data so that he can control the system whenever he wants. Yep, I'm gonna remove this code. Okay, once again, we are gonna decipher the fernet encryption hacker. There we go. This string is the key. This goes in the key section, and the remaining is the payload. I think this is gonna be a huge fucking source code to some rat or to some malware or to some stealer. I just want to get their webhook, bro. I just want to spam their webhook so bad. And we're gonna select all of this and shove it in, and Control+X just to be sure I got everything. Oh my god, this is gonna take a long time, buddy. I just hope none of this executes because I'm scared for my life. All of this is inside the thingy, and yep, there we go. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna execute just to be sure. I'm gonna check that this is writing to a file. Yep. Okay, it is done. I'm gonna reopen this file. Okay. Yep. There we go. I think we just hit jackpot, guys.
You know me.
Yep. Okay, that is a short one. Change lemma.me for me, and this is getting slash minor. Now I don't know what this is. This is probably some other malware that I'm not interested in. I just want to get the URL for this one. I should actually go ahead and https h2// okay, what is this? This pentagon.cy. There is another URL which is discord.users@me. This is for the token stealer, I'm pretty sure. Is there any Discord webhook in this? Discord dot actually API dot Discord dot okay, there's no Discord webhook in this one. So this is also useless. We have another one. We can try to get this one. We are gonna copy the okay, so this is also downloading. This is probably not downloading either. And you see the point that I was trying to make. He is doing all sorts of replacing text replacing. He's replacing this tag with a null space. He's replacing this with a null. So this is probably where I messed up the code, and it ended up like this. But anyways, we're gonna go again with this one, and this time we're gonna put the request on this, and since this is also returning a text, so we can just rock with this one. This is gonna go stage2.py, which is this one. I can remove this because this is the old one, and I can run this one, and we're not gonna close the file. There we go. Another one of these malware. Run python.py. Now this one is a bit different. This has another key which we can again decipher. I'm actually okay. First of all, I'm gonna search for any webhooks. API.discord. Okay, there are no webhooks. Webhook. How many links are there? HTTP. No links. Okay. So I'm gonna just copy this again. Okay, how long is this? What? Is there like nothing behind except this for in this code? I swear to God, if this is a download link to another one of his stupid malware, I'm gonna lose my mind. This is the end for this. And we're gonna cut this off. We're gonna paste this in the encrypted data section. There we go. Oh my God. Okay. This should be it. If this is not it, I'm gonna lose my mind. We're gonna run this file once again. Give me run batch script, whatever the fuck this is. We do not have admin. If error label set. Is there a webhook link in this? I don't really care. Okay, what is this? What is this? Huh? Okay, I need how long is this? Is this long as well? Nope, this is not long. ChatGPT should handle this. Yeah, no, ChatGPT should handle this. Okay, I am gonna trust you once again. Do not let me down, okay? Fix the indentations. Please. Do not let me down. Do not run the code. The script is highly suspicious and appears to perform. I know. I am trying to reverse this. Got it. If you're trying to reverse the script for analysis, whatever this is, I don't care. I'll start by fixing the indentation. Okay. Create and run batch script. So is that a function in this? If that is a function in this, yep, there we go. Def create and run batch script. So this is probably like a batch malware. Okay. I'm gonna make a text file. I'm not gonna risk it. Batch.txt. There we go. Okay. Then they're gonna run this command. Hidden command add preference exclusive path. So they are adding the exclusion in the Windows Defender to this entire directory. I mean, is this even okay? Yeah, they should. Yeah, okay, they should probably do this because Windows Defender is gonna kill their
malware if they don't do this. So they are adding an exclusion into the Windows Defender, and they are setting the temp file app data runtime. Okay, runtime broker.exe, PowerShell command, new object web client, system.net web client. Okay. Now this is the URL that they're downloading the file, and they are placing the file in this directory. We are gonna check this file as well. Finally, we got something. Can I duplicate? Nope. I should probably go into PowerShell, and then I should probably curl this. Huh? The remote server returned a 403 forbidden. Oh, of course. Because I think the client isn't supported. So should I go like curl headers? Actually, can you set headers and curl? I'm pretty sure you can. Alright, I think what we can do is probably use the header function, I mean the header flag with curl. So we can go curl.exe, and then we're going to go with the header flag, and we're going to go user agent, and this is going to be PowerShell, and now we're going to enter the URL. Okay, that is not the URL. We're going to sort out the URL from it, and that is the URL. There we go. What is this? Is this a 403 warning suspected phishing? This website has been reported for potential phishing. Is their entire operation taken down? I don't really know. I think their operation is taken down. So href, this is referencing to like an image, which means this is a phishing site. Actually, we can check the URL for ourselves, I think. Nope, not this one, not this one. There we go, this one. This is HTTP, so I think I should be able to intercept this in any case. Oh, they are using Cloudflare, and Cloudflare itself is... There we go. Finally. Wait, how the fuck are they accepting a GET request and they're not accepting a fucking... Huh? Okay, this entire shit is so fucking weird. I'm gonna paste this in this file. This is an application. There we go. And dangerous download blocked. Learn by... Okay, this file is dangerous. Yep, of course. I might have to write a little script to download that, and which is gonna go along the lines of 2.py import requests and requests dot the browser does a get for us. We are gonna use this URL. We are gonna print the... Oh my god, I forgot to give it a variable. Oh my god, what am I doing? Dot status code. Dot status code. There we go. And this is gonna download this file, which is 403 forbidden. Now, for some reason, my browser did download this though. So this is like, I should check this network stats now. We're gonna switch to desktop, and there we go. Is this a GET request, or what request is this? So, okay, I'm not gonna download this for now. This is a GET request to this URL, HTTPS, but for the URL, it was HTTP. This is weird. We're gonna change the URL to the HTTPS one. And now we're gonna try. This is probably gonna download it. 403 forbidden. Yeah. I'm gonna download this off another browser that I have, and I'm gonna continue the video with a clap, probably with the malware being placed in this folder. So there we go. Okay. That took like fucking 15 minutes. My defender kept flagging this file as malware or Trojan, which of course I know this is malware or Trojan. I do not want to run this at all. I cannot be
I cannot be caught lacking doing whatever I was doing back then. Um, we are gonna go with an analysis, a little analysis of this. I'm pretty sure this is using like a this is probably using like a custom server. I don't see any Pine installer stuff in this, so this is the real deal. Uh, we are gonna go to uncover it. Now this is a pretty good website. This is a static analysis website. So whatever you put on this website, they just statically analyze the malware and tell you if they have any webhooks or any Discord tokens in the malware. They also tell you the malware family and everything. So this is a pretty good website. 0.61 MB. We are going to check the size. Malware config. Possible IPs is this. Now they're of course hiding their IPs using VPNs and proxies. This might be an IP, but I think this is the 1.1, the Google, or I think the Cloudflare VPN, the Cloudflare tunnel or the Cloudflare proxy. I think this is. This can be that as well. So yeah, of course they're hiding behind Cloudflare, and of course I cannot do anything much. Application MS download. This malware is a stealer. This is a pretty good website. You guys should totally check this out. This is a static analysis website. They are very new in the business, so I would recommend supporting them a bit as well. Yeah. So I mean, this is where we end. We started off with this little Discord nuker, and we came to whatever this is. I mean, this was expected from the time that I saw this video. I mean, the moment this video dropped in my DMs, I was already 100% sure this is some sort of malware, because there's no one on the fucking internet that's going to give you all of this stuff for free and not going to take something in return from you. I give all of my stuff, I give all of my scripts for free to you guys because you guys watch my videos. You guys are subscribed to my channel. That's why I provide you guys with all the scripts, all the software, everything that I program, everything that I code. But not everyone is going to be generous enough to do that for you. So while being on the internet, just be a little cautious, just question everything, and just always doubt on the intention of someone that you're going to follow. Okay, what the fuck? All it took was understanding how Python worked in the source code over here. So all it took was understanding how Python works and how basically you can scroll to this far and see a semicolon. So this is pretty much what you need to just own anyone on the internet using Python. This is literally invisible malware. Even if I zoom out, I don't see it because it's so far away from the view. So this is pretty invisible. And with that being said, I thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I hope you like this video. I hope you guys like what I do on my channel. If you guys wish to support me in any way or support anything that I do recommend joining the Discord server and letting me know over there. Nothing that I do on this channel makes me profit. So if you guys want to support me in any way possible, you can join my Discord server. You can reach out to me over there. And yeah, thank you for watching. Do consider subscribing. Do consider leaving a like and comment how you felt about this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.